Learners, hope you're okay. We are going to look at the last method for separating miscible liquids, and that is chromatography. Chromatography is used to separate liquid components in a mixture, and it is a process of separating different colored substances using a porous medium depending on their solubilities in the solvent. The solvents differ. They can be water, they can be ethanol. However, you have to make sure that the solvent you choose should allow the colored substance to dissolve into it. So I want you to carry out this activity. You need to get a glass, ruler, filter paper, pens of different colors, which could be red, black, blue, yellow, and then we also need to get water or ethanol and then a pencil. However, the pens that you choose should be pens that have liquid ink. Don't just use any type of pen. For example, the fountain pens. So what are you going to do? Put 2 centimeters of water in a glass, then make a rectangle out of the circular filter paper. Place the filter paper vertically on a hard material and draw a straight line using a pencil about 2 centimeters, about 1 centimeter from the bottom. Across the line that you have drawn with a pencil, put dots using the red pen, the blue pen, the black pen, and the yellow pen. Point to note that dots should be of relatively large size and they should have space from one another. Then place the filter paper in the glass containing water or ethanol, and that one is our solvent, but the dots should be slightly above the water. Support the filter paper in the glass for 3 minutes as you observe. Then mark the line which will be formed near the top of the filter paper, and that one will be what we call the solvent front. I want you to answer these questions from what you have carried out. Why do you think water was the suitable solvent? If you have used the ethanol, why do you think ethanol was the suitable solvent? Have you observed the solvent front near the top of the beaker? 3. What is the advantage of using chromatography over the other separation techniques you have learned? 4. Can you comment about the dyes that make up the different colors of pens? For it, that is, how many dyes make up the red ink, make up the yellow ink, C, make up the blue ink, and then the black ink. In the black ink, which dye was the fastest and then the slowest? In the blue ink, which dye was the slowest? What do you think will happen if you draw the line, if you draw the outline using ink instead of a pencil? Another question, what do you think will happen if the ink spots on the paper are immersed into the solvent? Then, where is this method of separation mainly applied? Thank you, my dear learners. All the best in this experiment.